Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiara and today we're going to be reviewing the Revlon One Step Volumizer. So I have been wanting to purchase this hairdryer for a while now. I think it came out like maybe a year ago. I'm not really sure. I didn't really get all the details. The way that I do my hair is that I let it air dry and I end up using the flat iron, which you already know the flat iron, it keeps your hair flat. It doesn't give you any volume and that sucks. So I feel like I wanted to give this a try just because I feel like my ends were looking like a little escoba, if you know what I mean. Especially since my hair is blonde, it gets crispy really quickly. Obviously, when you're putting anything that's heat in your hair, you're gonna damage your hair. But I figured that maybe my ends won't be as crispy if I'm using this. I don't know if that makes sense, but you know what I mean. So today I'm going to be trying this out. I haven't opened it from the box yet. I just received it on Amazon yesterday. It was priced at $41. Let's unbox this.
Later that same evening.
By the way guys, they do have different colors. The one I had got my mom was a turquoise color, so that was really pretty. I just kind of picked this because I think this was like the cheapest one. I definitely feel like the other ones that I've used in the past, they're much smaller. I'm definitely excited to try this out and see if it's going to frizz my hair or not. So what I definitely like about this is obviously the color. Pink, it's super pretty, and my hands are really tiny. I have small hands, so it fits perfectly. Also, it has the 3 buttons like a regular blow dry does. Well, actually 4. So you have the off, cool, low, and high. I just washed my hair, and I haven't brushed it, so that's why it looks a little frizzy right now. So I'm just gonna brush my hair. My hair is already super frizzy, so I feel like one of the things that does tame my hair is when I flat iron my hair, as opposed to blow drying it. This spray, it's the Iconic Color Lock, and it just prevents my hair from fading since I do have blonde. So that's just what I sprayed on, and I'm going to begin. It's not turning on. I'll do it. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it already gave my hair like that flip. Look at that. Ooh, can't wait. So as you can see, I just did half my hair, and honestly, I'm loving it so far. I do have a bit of frizz, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I just normally have frizz, so let's just see what the ending result will look like. Hopefully not as frizzy. I mean, I have products to maintain it, but so far, look at this. Alright. Alright guys, this is alright, let's try this again. I think it looks fantastic. My hair looks like if I just came back from a salon. And I want to say that this took less than 25 minutes to do. The thing is that if you're gonna see the edits, I'm assuming my plug or my outlet wasn't taking this type of watts, so I had to change it to a different outlet, so that's why I kept failing. But overall, my hands were kind of tired, I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like my hands are always tired, or my hands and my arm. Alright, another thing that I do to achieve this hair salon look is I use rolos. Very old school, I know. I don't know if you can see, but it's not as frizzy, and just look at this, y'all. I love it. Yo soy una mujer nueva. honestly love my hair, guys. Alright. Yo voy a ponerle un poquito gotita. Not too much because, you know, your hair gets greasy. Alright guys, now, would I recommend this? Absolutely. I would totally recommend this. It's only 40 bucks, like I said. I will place the link down below where I purchased it. Great product, and yeah, I can't stop looking at my hair right now. It just looks like I just got out of the Dominican salon and they slayed my hair. Look at it. No se haten. Alright y'all, so that's it for my review today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of me.